This is the fall of 74.
74.
So Meg's like, you know, almost 3.5.
I'm so glad y'all got that home. Both that home.
That's a vacant lot next door. It has a modern house on it now.
See what fun they have together, Vicky. And if you just had one child, that one child would be mighty lonely. Got nah, look at log, you know. Beautiful.
See, they were building back the porch now after the tree fell on it. This is at the glider port at Chilhowie.
Glider
When
cloud.
Bill used to go up in the glider planes.
He did?
Goodness.
I didn't know that. He did that? Boy, I've been scared to death.
This is August of 75.
75. I'd have been scared to death.
Down at Benton, Tennessee.
Beautiful sky.
There's Bill with Meg on his shoulders there, I think.
Uh-huh.
And Kathy and Deborah. And there's Bryson with a striped shirt. The blue and yellow stripe. Deborah has on the red and white stripe.
Uh-huh.
And Kathy's in Navy. This is Timbercrest Swimming Pool.
It's what, honey?
Timbercrest Swimming Pool.
Timbercrest.
Timbercrest.
Yeah. These are wonderful.
I think that's Deborah on the board now.
They're growing up. There's me. Yeah.
turn it around.
No. Boy, your children had a good childhood. Did they?
Isn't
Isn't
it?
that deal?
That's Bryson.
Beautiful. Wow. That's cool. Yeah.
That's Vic.
Isn't that precious?
This is August 1975, so Meg's 4 years old.
Isn't that precious?
We're back down at Cherry Grove Beach again. We're at the Sandrift.
Y'all sure were good about taking us. Or having us, let's put it that way.
There you are.
Is that me?
Uh-huh.
Goodness. I didn't know I was that tall. I love the water. Cherry Grove.
I think Bill had a beard then, too, don't you?
Mm-hmm. The water's so perfectly beautiful color.
There's Candy coming in on a wave.
Isn't that something?
I think that's Bryson on it now. On the red one. There's Daddy.
Daddy. No.
That's Meg. Meg's trying to splash him, look.
Isn't that beautiful there? Lester, I expect, was the best swimmer in Lynchburg. And he was Lawrence's brother, and Lawrence was ruined on account of taking them out and dumping them in the water.
And he didn't swim at all.
Never. He didn't even like the water. And I don't blame him. At the beach, he would sit in the chair most of the time, even when he was all right. That's beautiful, Becky. Perfectly beautiful. You all sure what? Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. Sea oats.
Oh, you know what?
What?
This was down in Florida.
Oh, yeah.
This is at Crescent Beach,
Yeah,
at the Hurley Cottage,
uh-huh.
Donna Marie Hurley's cottage.
Yeah, there's the cottage.
Uh-huh. So I guess that other one was too.
Aren't you glad you have it?
Uh-huh.
Look.
There's Mickums.
Yeah, yeah, I'm all right.
Meg.
Yeah.
See, Mama and Brandy kept Bryson and Meg the first week when we were at the beach,
Uh-huh.
and we were with the Freakies, and then they came down and stayed with Bryson and Meg and us the second week,
Uh-huh.
and then y'all came down the third week.
Uh-huh.
So these are kind of in reverse order. I'm
That's
doing these in
wonderful.
reverse order because I saw we have one of the Freakies over there.
Yeah.
Now that's Deborah coming in.
They've had fun all through their lives.
That's Meg. Deborah's helping Meg there.
Deborah was always a little mother, you know.
A little caretaker. Look at Meg coming in. My goodness, look at that surf, would you? Is that Bryson?
It must be. Uh-huh.
That was a good ride. Look at that.
Still going. Hello. Remember those two clouds? I thought they were the most beautiful things up there.
This is still Crescent Beach. Look what a wide beach it is. Look at that.
Uh-huh.
That must be Hal with Khaki and Todd and Bill with Kathy and Deborah.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
There's the Hurley house.
Mhm.
Oh, look, that's, I guess, Kathy up on Bill's shoulders.
No. You know, Bill played the song real good, didn't he?
Uh-huh.
He was proud of it.
Look at Meg go, would you?
Isn't that good? I thought it was Kathy.
There's Bryson.
Mm-hmm.
There's Grandma. Now y'all have a green car, see it?
Yeah, yeah. I'm surprised how nice looking I looked. I didn't ever know I looked that nice looking. Look at him smiling, shining.
Uh-huh.
He was trying to pull his chain and I was getting after him.
This is September of 75. So Bryson's turning 6, I guess, because he was born in 69.
Ain't it wonderful that they never did fall and get hurt or anything?
Uh-huh. Goodness gracious. Oh, look at the bird. See, they're trying to catch a bird.
I didn't get a chance to ask if you've been able to do anything on the house, but I guess it's best not to, isn't it?
Look at the bird.
Isn't that darling? Isn't that darling?
This was down in Gainesville.
Yeah, I was going to say that wasn't Grandpa.
On Park Street. 1022 Park Street in Gainesville. Look at that little bird going to town.
Wonder why it's not flying.
I think it's because it's a young bird.
And that's not down where we went, is it?
Yeah, uh-huh. This
It
is the
is?
backyard.
It is?
See, that's Grandy's garden back there?
Uh-huh.
He had a huge garden.
Look, she's getting the water. Look.
Look.
Now, wasn't that sweet?
Uh-huh. Look, he's drinking it, too.
Wasn't that sweet?
Uh-huh.
Oh,
They can't wait to get our hands on it. Look
Yeah.
at it. Look at Meg. I do it. Look at her.
Oh, that's a darling picture, Victor.
Look at Meg petting the bird.
Petting it. That's Victor. That's beautiful. I wonder why the water holds such a fascination for you.
This is down at Crescent Beach.
Uh-huh. Yeah, you always tell by that little thing at the top.
Uh-huh. That's Bill Reading in the foreground. He's got a part of a beard there.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. That's
There's
Daddy.
Grandpa.
That's Daddy.
Uh-huh.
Daddy. You'll always find us close together, won't you?
Uh-huh.
That's fun, Victor.
You got Meg there.
That's rough water.
Uh-huh.
I'm turning her around. so glad to see Daddy in it. You said it's 85.
No, it's 75.
I mean 75. 75.
Don't you look good?
Mm-hmm. There we go.
There's you and Meg.
Uh-huh. Boy, you sure to give us a lot of good times. Wasn't that fun?
There's Kathy. All grown up.
Growing up. Good.
Uh-huh.
Oh. And kind of the way we talk to each other, you know, and look at each other. I'm so great. Damn, morning.
It's big. Look at that.
My goodness gracious.
They love the big wheels on the driveway. There's Bryson learning to ride a bike.
And I never did.
And this is the fall of 75.
75. You don't have much traffic on this road, do you?
Well, I always stayed in the street and played traffic cop
Yeah.
and stopped cars when they were coming down the
Uh-huh.
driveway. You see, Bryson's just learning to ride a bike.
Uh-huh. That's wonderful. Really wonderful.
There he comes. Woo! Right to the camera. I had to cut it off. Oh my goodness, that was Mary Mac
Yeah,
Robinson.
it was.
Mary Mac Robinson, that's me.
You almost would have hit my head, couldn't you? Look at that.
Meg and Mary Mac were great friends. Now, this is February of 76. And it's snow.
Oh, yeah. Look at that pretty.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, beautiful.
That's Kara Jacobson up on the column there.
This is wonderful.
Oh, and here's that mono ski thing, see?
Yeah.
That's Bryson coming down on it.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's Meg coming down on it. See?
Mm-hmm.
That was Bryson's suit, wasn't it? That's Kara helping her. What a help. Oh my goodness, look at them. Oh, look at Kathy
Is that
doing it,
Kathy?
Kara. Yeah, and Kara fell down.
Isn't that pretty?
I think that was Deborah in the blue suit. There's Kathy. See, Deborah's gonna do it now. Oh, she's gonna take Meg with her. Oh, this is gonna be a sight.
Don't break your neck.
There's Jane Armstrong, I think, isn't it?
It looks like
That's
it.
Jane.
Uh-huh, yeah.
There's Ashley in the red, and there's Patrick. Here comes Deborah. Look at Meg. Uh-oh. Boy, I bet she goes fast.
Yeah. Yeah, cute.
Meg.
I love the snowmans. Look at the snowman here.
There's Jane and Kara and Ashley and Deborah and Bryson and Patrick.
The whole family, the whole
and
family.
Meg's in the yellow suit to the left.
The whole family.
This is February of '76.
That's darling.
Here goes Meg.
One thing about your children all playing together, they're not as scared of things as children all playing by themselves, you know it?
Uh-huh.
They join in all the fun and everything. They hardly ever get hurt.
Here comes Meg.
She's growing up.
That's Patrick.
It is. He still likes his job, doesn't he?
Oh yeah, he loves being a reporter.
I wanted so bad to ask Kevin has coming on the house, but I didn't want to embarrass him. No.
Kara and Kathy. Oh, that was cute. That's Patrick and Deborah.
Oh,
Look.
darling.
They ended up going to the senior prom together their senior year.
That's a
That was Ashley.
Who's that?
That's Jane on the right.
Oh.
That's Kara and Kathy in the sled. That's Patrick and Deborah again.
Yeah.
Oh!
I'm glad she's broken it.
There's Patrick. There's Deborah.
See, all this was teaching them something. I think it's wonderful.
Kara and Kathy. Woo! That's Ashley there. Come Kathy.
It wasn't melting so fast they could bank up the snow.
Yeah. Look, there's a snowman.
That's cute. You must be playing school or something.
That's Becky and John Calcott.
Yeah.
And they were doing a play, The Boy Who Foretold the Future is what it said.
Ed and Bryson.
Well, let's see. I think that's where's John Calcott and Becky. That's Bryson. That was Bryson that fell down the steps. Look at Clinker. Now there's John calling somebody up on the phone. That's Deborah answering the phone, see?
That's where you got the piano, isn't it?
Well, this is at the front hall. This is the front hall.
That is, but is the front hollow down the window?
Now we're down in the basement. See, Bryson fell down the steps, and so he has a cane now. There's John Calcott on the phone there, I guess. Now we're back to John and Becky out in the study again.
Oh, that's it in the Bill's study.
Uh-huh.
Wow, stop the projector.
Now John's asleep.
Boy, your children have had a good time. Isn't that cute?
Yeah. I was wondering where all these went. See, that's John Calcott.
That's cute.
And
Yeah, how
that's
you doing that?
Deborah. Oh no, is that Bryson or Deborah? I can't tell apart. That's Bryson.
I don't know, how do you do it?
That's
darling.
Meg. You just photograph and then get them to go sit in it.
Well, that's cute as it can be.
That's Meg Gardner. Isn't she pretty?
That's darling.
That's
As cute as it
Deborah.
can be, honey.
The funny thing about having it close to the Christmas tree, you can see the tinsel shaking. There's Becky.
Yeah, that's like magic.
Uh-huh. There they all are.
That's darling. Isn't that cute?
Uh-huh.
Look. I never saw it done before.
Becky's so cute. She's an architect in Chicago now. Oh, there's Clinker. Uh-oh.
I've never seen that done before. And I was a kid.
Gosh, that's so dark you can't see it. See the outside playing
Uh-huh.
in the dark? They all have on their bathing suits. But you can just barely see that. I don't think you'll be able to see anything on video.
That's not me, is it?
That's Meg. There's Deborah and Bryson.
Yeah.
There's an extra kid there. But I don't know who it is. I can tell Meg there in the middle.
Uh-huh.
I can tell Deborah there and Kathy.
That's cute. That's good.
That's Bryson. Oh, look, there's our blue station wagon. I didn't know we had any pictures of it.
Isn't that good?
I'm so glad. Because we have the brown station wagon. There's
Oh, look
Kathy.
at that. They're growing up, Vicky.
Polishing our new car.
Uh-huh.
This is 77.
Look.
That's Meg. Washing the cars.
Isn't that cute?
That convertible has lasted 21 years now, so it's gone through 3 station wagons. The brown station wagon and the blue one and now the brown one. And we had now the gray one. There's Deborah. We had the blue one 12 years.
Isn't that something? No.
I'm glad we got some of Clinker.
That's deal.
Uh-huh.
That is.
It's that last roll of home film.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's good snow though.
Oh, look! Oh,
Uh-huh.
goodness! Oh, boy.
There's a hump there.
There's Carol.
Who?
Carol. There's Bryson. There's Deborah. Here comes Mitt. Woo!
That's darling. Oh.
Oh my goodness, that's Stephen Jacobson right there. Oh man, Meg almost got Clinker on that one. Good old Clinker. That was who's that? Deborah. That's Deborah. Let's see. Oh, that's ooh, that's Paula and Carol. That's Ashley Armstrong.
Isn't that fun?
Here comes Stephen Jacobson. Deborah came down
That's
on
pretty
nothing.
smart.
She just came down on her stomach. That's Patrick, I guess.
Y'all had the children in the neighborhood just like we did.
And there's Stephen. There's Kathy. Whee! There's Carol. Woo! Did a wheelie. Ashley. Meg. Bryson. Oh, brother. Oh, he's sitting on a little piece of plastic, see? I think that's Meg on top of, Deborah on top of Meg, wasn't it? Just Kathy on top of Carol. There's Cindy down the street. Oh, look at the little box. Okay, they are the four Jacobsons right there, isn't it? It's Stephen and Paula and Karen Aubrey. Ooh, boy.
Good.
They almost got Clinker. That's Mary Mac Robinson. Bye-bye.
That's a good one. Oh boy, here's another one.
Oh, this is that one of,
You don't want to miss the start.
okay, see, The Murder of Miss Christine Kennedy by James Overby, Christopher Roder, Karen Jacobson, and Kathy Gardner. There's Jamie and Chris Roder.
Where is
That's,
this taking place?
this is down at the Overby house, Jamie's house. And see, Deborah's been murdered there. Christine has been murdered. And there's Bryson and Meg, and they're just playing ball. Oh, and Bryson misses the ball, and he runs through the bushes. And look, by George, he's found somebody that's been murdered. Oh! There's the murder victim.
Oh, that's real cute.
You see, that's Deborah playing Christine. Here comes Jamie Overby and Chris Roder investigating the murder. Oh, they stole her things. They stole her jewelry. And they're making off with the jewelry. Now here's Kara and Kathy, the detectives. And Bryson's come to say,
Well, that's
come with me,
cute.
come with me. And there's the murder victim. Kathy and Kara, the sleuths.
That's cute.
Kara, who?
Kara Jacobson and Kathy.
Oh, when is this gonna be over? It's time for the thing to start.
Okay, here come Jamie and Chris Rudd on their skateboards making a getaway. And then we didn't have any more film to finish it.